Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Again, welcome to this channel. Today I will share with you a job openings from West Africa, and it's a opportunity from African country. So guys, if you are looking for a job in African country, then keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply everything details. So let's discuss. This is a job openings for GM operations required in West Africa. Hiring for GM operation with a leading packaging group in West Africa. The incumbent must have worked with leading manufacturing packaging groups, must be BE or B.Tech handling the entire operations. So guys, if you have the previous experience with this relevant field, then it will be a great benefit for you to crack the interview. And the minimum qualifications requirements, this is the main important parts through which you can apply for this job. So if you are really eligible by qualifications and experience, then you can apply by this official email ID. After you apply, the all CV will be goes to shortlisted. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview by client, which is in online. So guys, again I would like to tell you this is a urgent job vacancies from West Africa, and the job is related to GM operations functions, and the job is in manufacturing company. So you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field, then you can apply for this job. So very simple, and you can get this email ID from the descriptions below this video. So please keep in mind, if you have the proper qualifications and proper experience to apply for this job, then don't be waste your time. Right now you can apply by this official email ID, and after your CV will be shortlisted, you can be prepared for the interview. Once you crack the interview, the offer letter and employment contract, everything will be sent by the company through which you can apply for the work visa. And after you get work visa, you can book your flight and you can move to the company to get this job. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. This is the urgent vacancies from West Africa, and many of guys are asking before for African jobs. So this is the opportunity. If you have a dream to move African country with a job, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So the job is already I shared with you, GM operations. So the important part, if you are looking for an abroad job, you have to apply again and again. You have to keep patience, and you should have the proper skills to move abroad with a job. This is the important point. So as per the previous videos I already shared many times, different job openings from different countries. So I can request you, please watch each and every videos, and every country, if you are eligible for the positions, you can apply, and you can at least attend the interview, so you can gain experience how to crack the client interview, so that you can get a job in abroad easily. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video I will come with a new job openings to discuss with you. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.